Jack Radio, nigga.
Spike, Nietzsche, Jello, yeah.
I think we all want to hear the rest of that.
Peek down in my wrist, see that rolling. Watch it swallowing Molly potty egg, now she rolling.
What up, y'all? Fly Money Views, and I'm back with another one, man. It's been a minute, I know. Been having a whole lot going on, holidays, pandemic, all that good stuff. Birthday, kids' birthdays, the whole nine. But we back, and I officially got one for the channel, So without further ado, let me go and show you what we working with. Yes, sir. Bring it to the channel. 2016 Chevy Impala that's sitting so clean. You dig? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And she all mine. Got a few things going on with this one. For sure. You dig? Nice 6-cylinder, not nothing too powerful, you dig? 3.6. Definitely came with the dual exhaust. Got to have those. Got to have that. And overall, she clean. You know what I'm saying? Sink one, sink them all, baby. I could do a better job over there on my side job. This just how I'm rocking. Right here, right now, today. I ain't do nothing special. Didn't go to no car wash. I ain't got no armor all on the tire. 2016. Definitely be expecting big things. She go back to the dealership in a couple days to get the windows tinted. I'll be sure to vlog that as much as I can. This ain't no long video. It's just a video about progress, man. We can do a few things to it. I got some plans for it, and y'all get to come along with me for the journey as I'm putting it together, from the tent to the windows to the TV head unit, to the slam. You know what I mean? Shoot chick. Gotta keep them jubies fresh now. Gotta stay fresh, y'all. Fly Money gang in this thing, y'all. Jump down in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. 2016. You dig? Got a couple of little features come with it. Now we gotta hit on with the automatic start one time. Come on, man. Stop playing, man. Stop playing with it. I'm just blessed and just thanking the man upstairs to be able to do the things he has been allowing me to do. And this little decal right there, that didn't come with the car now. But y'all niggas start biting, that's me. I can make you one. Any design, any style of your choice, as long as you got the bread, we can make it happen. That limited. You dig? Yeah, man. Yes, sir, man. Ain't no lights on, ain't none of that, man. You did. Talking about everything clean but the ashtray right here, y'all. You dig? Yeah, man. I'm gonna do it like this one time for the one. Yeah, it cleaned up the heat up under there, man. Fly Money gang, all we trying to do all the rest of 2020 and 21 is continue to keep doing that right there. Going to the top. and it ain't no limit. How about that? They say the sky the limit, ain't no limit. I'm gonna keep on doing our thing, man. Keep on doing my thing, man. Y'all keep on doing y'all thing, man. You know? Fly Money Views back in here with a 2016, so clean Chevy Impala, y'all. And this one, oh man. It's all me. Yeah, me and my new baby, y'all. Ooh. My boy Chop, too. Me and my new baby. We ain't doing nothing but going all the way up, man. That's the goal. She is nice, though. You know, it's one of them gloomy days. There ain't really no sun out for real. I ain't dropped the video in a while. I thought I'd bring out a little something. You dig? Oh, we definitely finna get it together. Again, what's today? Today is Sunday. Go back to the dealership on Wednesday for the 10th. So there's another video I'll be bringing y'all. Cause she on Fishbowl. Man. Hey, my glasses got more tint on them. Oh, yeah, okay. Then the car. Bow tie gang in it big. Bow tie gang in it thing. Fly Money Views, man. Like, share, subscribe. It ain't gonna cost you nothing, man. Support your boy.
Kojak Radio, nigga.
Spike, Nietzsche, Jello, yeah.
I think we all want to hear the rest of that.
Peek down in my wrist, see that rollin'. Watch it swallowing Molly potted egg, now she rollin'. Ain't no loose bills, gotta keep that bank roll.